What's up YouTube, my name's Will, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install wind deflectors. Okay guys, so my wind deflectors are made by HEKO. That's just the brand that I've always bought for wind deflectors, but it doesn't really matter. It's going to be the same sort of thing no matter what brand you get. First thing you're going to want to do is get all the windows down on your car. So I'm going to do the passenger side front first. What you're going to notice is you're going to have these little basically double-sided tape patches. There's one here and one on the end. Sometimes they do put like a bit of 3M tape down the long bit, but not on these ones apparently. And where this is going to go is in this little gap here, where obviously you have your window seal here running along. So we're going to shove this in between the window seal in this end, and then obviously corresponding place up the top here. So as I was saying, we're just going to peel the tape, both bits of double-sided tape, stick her in. Now I'm going to start with this corner. And I'll work my way up. I'm going to get it majority of the way and then try and flex this into this corner here, which is a bit of a job. Just flex it down, get her up into the seal like that. That's probably not going to go anywhere because you've seen how much I kind of had to flex it, but we are going to use these clips which HEKO give, just as an extra kind of precaution. Gives you a little diagram of how it goes on. In that little yellow bag, give you 4 clips. That's going to be 2 for each front side one. So I'm going to put these clips in my pocket for the next one. And where I'm going to put these is up inside here. I'll get you a better camera angle here now. So lads, if you can see where the window seal is here, we're going to follow this up along this groove, and this in between here is where we're going to be sticking the clip. And as you can see, I'm just using a flathead screwdriver to stick it in. So doing this one-handed is going to be interesting, but we'll give it a go. And I'm going to put this the side of the clip with the little like groovy bit on. I don't want to damage the seal of the window, so I'm going to leave that on the like plastic side. So I'm just going to do it about 1/3 of the way across the window. Just shove it in there like that until it kind of half stays. And then I'm going to get my flathead and just give it a shove until it kind of stays up in there. So as you can see, I have one clip here and one clip here, and now I'm just gonna put the window up, just test everything's all good. The window shuts the whole way, which it does, and back down. Nothing moves, nothing fell off, so we're all good. So I'm gonna do the passenger side rear next, just to show you one front and one rear. That is actually for the other side. So I'm gonna get this one here. Same thing, 1 on the end, 3 along the long side. So same thing again. Just peel the tape, bend it in, and then stick in the clips. Okay, so that's one side done. Then all you have to do is go and repeat that on the other side, and you're done. So pretty simple install. If this has helped you install your own wind deflectors, then please give the video a like, it really helps out the channel. Also please consider subscribing, because I will be continuing with this build. I'm just getting to the point where I'm organising with a potential kind of YouTube partner here as to getting this mapped and doing a couple of bits to it. So make sure you subscribe for that, and thank you very much for watching guys. We'll see you in the next one.